I remember the first words Brian said after the first weekend he took it out was, "I can't believe they sell these to people." Because you should need another license to operate one. Yeah, they are extremely technologically advanced compared to what a side-by-side, you think of when it started off as a Polaris Ranger farm rig or a John Deere Gator, and everybody was like, I wonder if we can get some more suspension travel out of this. It's like that became this.
Yeah, over the last
20
10 years.
Yeah. It's got freaking GPS and a nice a Harman Kardon sound system in it, factory. Why would you build a Jeep?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess you'd build a Jeep because XJs and CJs are way cheaper than this.
Yeah. But that's the happy medium. It's like, okay, yes, you can buy an old vehicle, work on it all the time, no matter how good and custom you make it. Someone can go into a dealership, sign, make payments every month, get insurance on it, and have a factory warranty and smoke you on the trail.
Yeah. But that it's also led to
a lot of deaths.
Well, a lot of that, but also they're kind of a plague in the desert. No offense to all the side-by-side guys. Well, a little offense. When you go on and you see it and everybody's like, oh yeah, we wanted to go on a Jeep trail ride and there was 200 side-by-sides out there making asses out of themselves. There's a lot of people that don't have the respect for the outdoors as much because you can just go buy one out of the dealership. You didn't have to build your Jeep. You can go out and hammer on these things all day long like you're out racing the Baja 1000, where old Jeep you're not going to be as brutal on it, so you're not as hard on the trail, you're not as hard on your equipment, where this thing it's like foot to the floor, let's go, which is fun.
It's all fun. These are cool. Yeah, if you want to see more on that, let us know and we'll pick this thing apart and give you some more info on it.